You're planning a trip to Japan, you've come to the right place. But before you pack your bags, you need to sort out your visa. In this video, I'm going to explain step-by-step process of applying Japan visa. Considering you hold an Indian passport, the document, the process, the fees, as well as the new e-visa system for Japan. Firstly, visa options. There are two kinds of visa for Indian passport holders, the traditional sticker visa and the new Japan e-visa. Let's explain Japan e-visa. The e-visa is for tourism only, valid for single entry and allow you to stay for 90 days in Japan. Once approved, you don't get a sticker on your passport. Instead, you'll receive a visa issuance notice on your email. But here's the catch. At the airport, you have to show your email and the visa issuance notice. The PDF screenshots will not work in this case. Hence, the process for applying for sticker visa and e-visa remains the same. The only difference is getting a sticker on your passport or getting an electronic confirmation on your email. Let's move towards application process. Go to VFS Global website. Select applying from India and going to Japan. Click apply for a visa. Select visa type. Click your embassy. For this video, I'm taking Delhi, but I will tell you about other places also. On the next page, select your visa type, that is tourist visa. On this page, you'll get many informations like visa fees, which is 450 rupees, plus 800 VFS service charges, and 550 courier charges for your passport, which is optional. 450 visa fee is refundable. Next, you'll see the documentation requirement. Documents involve a valid passport, more than 2 blank pages, and submit your old passport also. A photocopy of first and last page of passport. A filled and signed visa application form, one passport size photograph with white background, a cover letter, your flight tickets, dummy flight tickets would work, itinerary of Japan, latest income tax return, if not available, bank statement of last 6 months. The website also tell you about photo specifications, processing times, and lastly, visa application form to download. Take a printout of this form, you can fill it with your pen and take this along with all the documents to VFS office. Now, if you're applying from Bangalore, Chennai, Kochi, Hyderabad and Puducherry, you need to take an appointment. For rest of the centers, including Delhi, just walk in when the offices are open and your process will be done. Now, for these 5 cities, sign in with your registered email, then choose a center, appointment category and your subcategory. Fill out your details, choose an appointment date and time, and that's it. If approved, you'll receive your visa notification on your registered email. This makes Japan visa one of the cheapest visas, even cheaper than Thailand. But if you need a multi-entry visa, business visa, or you're visiting a relative, you still need a traditional sticker visa. So that's the latest update on Japan visa process for Indian citizens. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with your travel buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides.